there, everyone! Get ready to embark on a captivating journey as we spend the next 5 minutes diving into the breathtaking beauty of La Playa de las Catedrales in Galicia, Spain. The coastline of La Playa de las Catedrales boasts magnificent cliffs adorned with intricate arches and captivating rock formations. These natural wonders, sculpted over time by the relentless forces of wind and sea, bear a striking resemblance to the grandeur of Gothic cathedrals, earning the name the Beach of the Cathedrals. This remarkable geological landscape has become a major tourist attraction, drawing visitors from around the world. The unique combination of stunning natural formations and the allure of Galicia's rich cultural heritage makes La Playa de las Catedrales a must-visit destination. Galicia, with its lush green landscapes, charming coastal towns, and vibrant traditions, offers a perfect backdrop for this coastal gem. Exploring La Playa de las Catedrales allows you to immerse yourself in Galicia's natural beauty while experiencing its authentic charm. To make the most of your visit, it's recommended to plan your trip during low tide. This is when the secrets of the beach are unveiled, revealing a captivating network of arches, caves, and hidden alcoves. It's a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities to capture the breathtaking scenery. As the popularity of La Playa de las Catedrales continues to soar, it's important to note that during peak tourist seasons, the beach can be quite crowded. To fully appreciate the tranquility and majesty of this place, consider visiting during quieter months or early mornings when fewer tourists are around. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a cultural explorer, or simply seeking a moment of serenity, La Playa de las Catedrales in Galicia is a destination that guarantees to create an unforgettable impression in your heart. So, embrace the opportunity to explore this hidden gem and let yourself be enchanted by the wonders that await you. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the touristic marvels of La Playa de las Catedrales in Galicia, Spain. Remember to plan your visit wisely, immerse yourself in the region's unique culture, and cherish the natural beauty that awaits you. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the wonders of our world.